Today I'm by the sea. I'm in Fife, where I'm mining for gold. And when I say gold, or in Gaelic, I don't mean literally gold. I'm talking about what they used to call white gold, because it was so valuable. Saline, salt, saline, yes, this was once a heaving industry of salt production. So I've come here to find out what's left of it. You know what? I love the sea. I can't even think about how much seawater I've swallowed over the years. That must be worth a fortune. In the late 18th century, saline was Scotland's third largest export after wool and fish. Here in Killivernin, St Monans, you can see the remnants of salt pans and one solitary moulin windmill. This provided the power to pump seawater into salt pans, which were then heated. The water, uisce, would then evaporate, leaving saline. Stephen Lisco has joined me here in Killivernin to tell me more. So if you take us back in your time machine to the late 18th century,
yes,
what did this place look like?
It would have looked very, very different. It would have been a purely industrial landscape. There would have been the pan houses all belching smoke and steam. There would have been a mineral railway, horse-drawn railway coming from the coal mines in the land behind us. The coal would come down here and be delivered to the pan houses, and the process would go on continuously, 24 hours a day. They'd be burning and evaporating the seawater. The tower we see is actually a wind engine. It didn't mill, it had sails like a windmill, but it drove a pumping engine. On the tower you can still see we've got a modern representation of the sails that would have been up there. They would have been literally sails. They'd have been covered in sailcloth, and they would have acted the same way as the sails on a ship do. They catch the wind and they make something move, and in this case it was the engine that pumps the water.
Now, I know how to earn a little extra money. It's claimed, though disputed, that the word salary comes from the Latin for saline, and that Roman soldiers were paid in saline. Now to put my plan into action. And there's my day's wages. Slipping through my fingers. Try to get some more.